What if I told you that even when you eat the healthiest foods, your body might only be absorbing a fraction of their incredible nutrients? It's a common challenge, but there's a surprising kitchen hero ready to unlock your food's full potential: the humble lemon. Stick around as we reveal 3 simple cooking secrets that use lemons to supercharge your meals, helping you absorb more iron, boost other essential minerals, and even cut down on sodium. Many plant-based foods are rich in iron, but it's often in a form called non-heme iron, which our bodies find notoriously difficult to absorb efficiently. Imagine trying to open a locked door without the right key. That's often what happens with non-heme iron in your gut. Here's where the lemon works its magic. Its high vitamin C content and citric acid act like that perfect key, transforming non-heme iron into a form your body can easily absorb. Studies show that combining vitamin C-rich foods with non-heme iron sources can boost absorption by up to 6 times. It's an incredible nutritional hack. But the lemon effect isn't just about iron. Its acids also help break down other minerals, making them more available for your body to use. Ready for our first secret? Always pair lemon with your plant-based iron sources. Think about adding a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to your spinach salad, lentil soup, or bean chili. This simple trick can significantly increase the iron you get from these healthy staples. Secret number 2, use lemon to enhance general mineral absorption across your meals. Drizzle lemon juice over steamed vegetables, grilled fish, or even a quinoa bowl. It's a subtle addition that makes a big difference to your body's ability to utilize essential nutrients. And for our third secret, let lemon help you reduce your sodium intake without sacrificing flavor. The bright, tangy flavor of lemon naturally enhances other ingredients, meaning you can often use less salt in your recipes. Try seasoning your chicken, pasta, or roasted potatoes with a generous squeeze of lemon instead of reaching for extra salt. The lemon isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerful nutritional ally, helping you unlock more from every bite. Start incorporating these 3 simple lemon secrets into your cooking today, and taste the difference in both flavor and health. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to Greenplate for more easy nutrition hacks, and tell us your favorite lemon trick in the comments below.